Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a cool little swing trade indicator for swing highs and swing lows. I will leave a link down below in the description so you guys can download this. I will also in this video show you how to use it, how to kind of change the parameters and things like that. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. But before we begin, do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe, and let's jump right into this video. So right here is what this study is. If you go into studies, edit, right, it's going to be called the swing high low, right? You could change how many bars back you want this to do. I have it set at 5 because I'm on a 1 minute chart. I like that number. I found is the perfect number to use, at least for myself. You could say show the lines, yes or no, show value. Let's say you only want to see the value but not the line, right? So you go no, show bar numbers if you want, and then also show how many displayed. So let's say you only want to see 2 and keep the chart clean. Click OK, apply, and look at that. It just shows the high of the swing highs and swing lows of the bar, right? Which is pretty cool. So it's very, very customizable. So we're going to go back here. We're going to go show 10, click OK, apply, and now we're back. So what this does is it shows you as we start to make swing highs and swing lows. We could see, and we'll just start right here, right? We make a high, we make a low. Well, guess what? When we break above this high, then this now becomes our swing low, right? And so what happens is we could kind of do multiple things. Once we see price break above this, we could look and just go, okay, hey, maybe we want a big move up. Let's rebuy the breakout. That's one way of trading, right? Another way of trading this is as price falls back down, we could watch this prior swing high and look at price, right? If we kind of draw. If you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P E-mini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. Just a line straight across, we could see price comes right in to this level and then we bounce, right? It's we see it happen over here at the 38.40, right? As price comes back in, very first retest, right? Because things happen, or it's just the way price works. So this is really helpful. Now, we can also see, are we in an uptrend or a downtrend? Look at this. We're making a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? Lower low, higher high, right? And then we kind of eventually make new lows. Again, it's set at, it's not going to show every single one. You could play around to try and maybe add more bars back or less bars, but it does a total of 5 bars. That's why some of them are not as clean. But again, nothing will be perfect, but it's just a good way. Another really good way to do things like this is we could draw. We know this is a swing low, this is a high. We know exactly where to draw our fibs, right? And look at this, pull back right to our 38, right down to the 50, and we bounce, right? So there are different ways to trade this. I would say the best thing to do is put it on your chart and just follow how this trades individually, right, as you're going along. And you will start to see patterns. One of the things that I like is maybe a retest, right? Knowing if this is all we see right here, okay, I know there's a prior swing high. Well, if price rallies up into this level, I could sit there and draw one of my mini trade zones, right? And say, hey, if price gets back into this zone, right, let me look for a potential short, right, or long. A short on this as price comes up. And look at this, we come right up to it, pull back, and then this one gets right inside, and then we have a pullback. So hopefully this will help you guys really to identify and try and find swing highs and swing lows. Like I said, it's a free download. All I ask is you hit the subscribe button and also like this video. And again, any questions, leave them down below in the comments. But hopefully you guys enjoy this. And as always, thank you for watching.